Hello, Miss Nguyen. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Cause I'm sure you'd probably ask how I'm doing as well. But I'm doing pretty good. Quarantine's pretty boring though. I can't lie. This is my part A. Part A for teeth. Part A for the derivative assignment. So let's get straight into it. You'll notice that the multiplication going on, right? So in order to find the derivative, and in this case, we'd have to use a product rule, right? Because there's term 1 and there's term 2, which are multiplying each other. So, and the general formula for the product rule, I messed up it's supposed to be that way, but I messed it up. Like the apostrophe is supposed to be like that way, okay? I'm pretty, you know what I mean. Let's just rewrite it. The apostrophe is supposed to be this way. So the derivative would, the general formula for the derivative, this would be like GH, so like you term 1, term 2, and then prime of one of them, and then the other way around. So in this case, it'd be G prime H, right? Doesn't matter. You multiply like the regular version and the prime of one, and you just switch up the order. You just add them together. So for the sake of organization and people with OCD, let's label these. So we'll have our G and our H. Nice, beautiful. Okay, so you'll notice that we're gonna have to find the derivatives of each of them, right? And for the sake, once again, for the sake of organization and organization skills, I'm just gonna like do them like on the side, like individually, like not all in the equation, because that's just gonna be like really, really hard to read and complicated and messy. So we'll just do that. So we have our g of x, right? G of x as e 3x. Now to find the derivative of this in this beautiful e, got the apostrophe right this time. So it's itself. So you multiply. So it's itself, right? Itself, but it has like the inside part, right? The inner layer, the exponent. So like in this case, you apply the chain rule. It'd multiply the derivative of this. So the derivative of this it'd be 3, right? Maybe 1, bring it down, 3, 0, x is 0 is 1, 3, and you end up with 3e 3x. Boom, done. One of them done. One of them is done. All right. Now for our h, it's a little longer. So our hx. My arm's getting tired. Holding this camera. It's already been like 3 minutes. It's only 3 minutes and my arm's ready. But okay. H of x, or our h of x is, so we got log 2, base 2, sorry. X to the 5 plus 4x plus 10. Okay, great, fantastic. Got it down? So, to find the derivative of this, normally, like, say this wasn't a function right here, just like log base 2, like, I don't know, 10, right? It'd just be like, so the general form would be 1 over, so that number, so whatever here is a 1 over 10, right? It'd be 1 over 10 times ln of the base. So if this was 10, it should be like log, it'd be 1 over 10 times ln of the base, ln 2, right? But because it's a function, you have to do like something special. Show you. I mean, you showed me what that special thing is in the video, so I'm just gonna show it to you back. So first, 1 over the number, in this case the function, x5 plus 4x plus 10. Yeah, got it down. So 1 over ln of the base, so 2. Yeah, got that. Now the little special secret here is that whenever there's a function, you also have to multiply the derivative of the function. So you apply the power rule here, bring the 5 down, 5x to the 4, and then derivative of this, you bring that down, it should be 4, and the derivative of 10 is just 0, so you need to read that, right? So let me just multiply this, just quickly finish this. So 5x plus 4 over 1, 2, plus 4x. Great. Great. We got it. Damn, I almost forgot to write H prime. Ow. I almost forgot to write H prime. Alright. I wouldn't. I meant to do that. Alright, so now we have the easiest part of it all. Not really. But we plug in these, so our G prime and our H prime and our regular G and our regular H into the equation, or our little formula that we have, right? So 5, why did I say 5? F prime, or the derivative. We have G, right? G is just regular old G, right? Just G. So G is E, right? G is E3x. So E3x times, right? Times H prime, prime of H, right? Prime of H prime. So, in this case, 5x4 plus 4 over ln 2 x5, I'll have to squeeze this in. x5 plus 4x plus 10. Alright, great, amazing. Plus, right? Formula continues. The show must go on. Okay, and we have, so G prime, so now it's G, right? G prime, prime of G, right? So it's 3E, 3x times, did I get that right? Yeah, right. Okay, times regular old H. H is, well, H is log 2 x to the 5 plus 4x plus 10. Oh, I messed up that. It's okay. Alright, now you'll notice that, we haven't simplified as much as we can. We're gonna do that now. So look, you'll see that, I know you've noticed, and I've noticed, but you just to clarify, I know you noticed, miss, you're brilliant. It's so you take the E3x common, right? You have the E3x common here, right? You take the E3x out. E3x out. And now you're left with 5x4 plus 4 over ln 2 x5 plus 4x plus 10, yeah, plus, big plus sign, 3 log base 2 x5 plus 4x plus 10, close the brackets, and boom, I got it. So, derivative of that, simplified, is that is this beauty of this concoction of numbers and letters and words and equal signs and brackets. But yes, I hope this video demonstrates my derivative skills. The criteria for this, the chain rule that I used was logs, product, chain rule, and what was the other one? And power rule, right? So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. It's a little long and it's almost 9 minutes. I'm so sorry.